Hello, welcome, there is Zmotion technology. Today, let's enter our multi-axis interpolations last part. The part 3 of our quick start lesson 17. How to set the motion move at customized speed. Achieve one needed and smoother trajectory. We call it SP motion. And the corresponding speed is SP speed. Maybe you are still confused. Let's see what are SP motion and SP speed at first. It is very easy. When the motion has SP suffix, it belongs to SP motion. Then, SP speed should be used. For example, move. When move is used, it runs at speed value of speed parameter. But when movesp is used, there is one SP behind. Run at SP speed, not speed. Therefore, SP motions include normal motions with SP suffix. And in lesson 1, we have already learned normal motions. Here shows all SP motions. They all use SP speed. SP speed, there are 3 commands. Force speed. Start move speed. End move speed. The unit is units per second. Among them, the main command is force speed. And obviously, we have known it, actually. It was talked in lesson 2 look ahead trajectory motion, which is used when speed limit, corner deceleration take effect. In this way, the motion can be smoother. In a word, for one SP motion, it will call SP speed command from motion buffer. Then, run at force speed, not speed anymore. Therefore, in this part, we will learn these 3 commands. Also, there are examples and real operation. These commands are easy, see one by one. First one, force speed. It is one forced speed for SP motion. Make one segment run at this forced speed. In addition, except SP motion, it can be used in look-ahead trajectory. Please review part 2 for more details. If it requires the force speed has decreased to corresponding speed when entering this motion, please set start move speed also. Second one, start move speed. Obviously, the starting speed. When it is needed, SP speed should be larger than this starting speed. Otherwise, starting speed will become invalid. When it is not needed, set as bigger value. Default value is 1000. Third one, end move speed. The SP motion end speed. When there are no motions after that. Directly decelerate to stop. This parameter becomes invalid. Same, set a big value to ignore it. Next, see one example for clearer. There are 3 motions. It can be seen they are with different forced speed, starting speed, and end speed. And here capture one running curve. Blue line is composed speed. Red 1 and purple 1, subspeed of axis 0 and axis 1. To clear viewing, make the purple one offset a little. Then, these two are axis 0 and axis 1 position trajectories. Okay, motion 1, make the speed down to 50, not 100. Starting speed is 20, end speed is 10. But this is the first motion, starting from speed 0. So, this starting speed 20 is invalid. Therefore, in motion 1, it runs from 0 to 40, 40 at the speed of 50. Accelerate from 0 to 50. Then decrease speed 50 to end speed 10. Motion 1 ends. Motion 2, move 50 in X and Y separately, and the speed becomes 60. Starting speed is 30, then end speed is 40. It can be seen the running speed is 60 here. Because 1Y scale means 50. Also, the starting speed is not used. The end speed of motion 1 is 10, too low, not reach the starting speed. Arrive here, the speed is decreased to 40 from 60. Last motion, motion 3. It will move from 90 to 150, 150. And the speed here 80 is used. But for this motion, starting speed is not the motion 2 end speed anymore. Because 30 is smaller than 40. This starting speed is valid. Therefore, the speed is from 30 to 80. But the end speed is not 20, 0 directly. Because no motions after motion 3. The whole motion end. Okay, as usual, let's run this routine in our TSYS directly. Copy the codes in here. Set the auto-run number. Connect to controller or simulator. OK, connected. Open Oscilloscope tool, which can capture motion trajectory and speed curve. Here, we need 5 curves. Select 5 channels at first. Then, choose needed data. Axis 0 speed and distance. Axis 1 speed and distance. And the interpolation spindle speed. OK, now, parameters are configured. Start the scope directly. Download the program to trigger the scope. It can be seen it is moving. Now finish, let's check the curves. See, same as the shown one. Let's see distance curves at first. Both are from 0 to 150, 150 after 3 motions. Then hide DPOS, see speed mainly. VP speed, the spindle speed of interpolation. Axis 0 speed, and axis 1 speed. Accelerate to 50 from 0. Then decrease to 10. Motion 1 ends. Accelerate from 10 to 60. Decrease to 30. Motion 2 ends. Because the starting speed of motion 3 is 30. Accelerate to 80 for motion 3. Then end to 0. In this way, you could achieve required trajectory. Okay, from now, contents of multi-axis interpolation are shown. Let's conclude it. You can call move and other related commands to do interpolation. And when the motion produces one big corner, you could make it smoother and continuous through look-ahead function. If you want different path to move at specified speed, force speed helps you immediately. After these, your motion will become smoother. Then no need to worry about your machine safety, precision, efficiency. Thank you for your watching. If you have applications that will need motion controllers of any questions, glad to talk with you. See you next time. Have a nice day.